What's up everyone, Rev here, and today I get the pleasure of opening up an XPS 13 for the first time ever. We're going to take a look at what comes inside the box and get our hands on one of these systems because I've actually never touched one before. But first, I want to see what I've actually got inside the laptop itself to work with. So for starters, it's the second gen i7-2637M processor, 4 gigs of RAM. I've got a 13.3-inch high definition. It's a 720p True Life with WLED display. A 256 gigabyte solid state drive, and this particular unit's got the Intel HD Graphics 3000 integrated graphics card. So enough about what's inside of this system. Let's take a look and see what's in this box. All right, so first and foremost, there's definitely no concern on my part that something's going to happen to this computer in transit because we have some pretty serious padding on the inside. In fact, we actually have a box inside of a box. Let's move that out of the way. Secondly, this is a very nice presentation. I like how we've put this together. I would be very, very excited to see a box like this on my doorstep to open up. And getting to the system itself, the first thing you see is actually the XPS 13, which is very, very, very impressive. I am going to set this aside for a second to take a look at what else comes in the box. We've got our paperwork, which comes very neatly packaged up. No CDs with this system because there is no actual CD drive. And then we have an incredibly small power supply, which I love. The easier it is for me to throw my stuff in my bag and be on the go, the better. So let's take a closer look at this system. Now you can see on the top, we have a single piece of anodized aluminum, and on the bottom, we actually have carbon fiber, which has an incredible feel to it. It's very smooth. We've got a little bit of some stickiness on these ridges here for kind of keeping in one place on your desk. But this carbon fiber is going to help with a couple of things. Number one, it's going to help with heat, and number two, it's also going to help reduce weight, which is why we have a starting weight on this system of about 2.9 pounds, which is very impressive considering the amount of power it has on the inside. We see our standard ports, USB, we got a mini display port, let's see here, some more USB headphones, and then our power. Very minimalistic as this is an UtraBook. It's not designed for you to plug a million different things into, though you could by using a port replicator or something like that. Getting to the inside, we can see this immaculate edge-to-edge shuriken display, which is just one of the most impressive things about this particular unit. You've got full visibility around the whole thing. The keyboard is a little bit of a different design than we've done in the past, but it's very sleek. And you can see here we have the glass touchpad, which also supports for gestures and everything like that too. But my overall impression of this system is very incredible. I do like the plate on the bottom as well. It's very Alienware-esque. But I can't wait to really break this thing in and take a look at what it can do. It's very small, very lightweight, and it's obviously super portable for anybody to be able to carry around. So guys, if you have any questions about the XPS 13, feel free to send them to me. I'm going to be playing around with it for a couple of weeks. And once again, thanks for plugging in.